Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here and welcome to my weekly b-boy tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the back bend, or some people call this the bridge. And before we get into it, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon, because I upload 2 videos a week. So by turning the notification icon, you will get notified if there's a new upload. Before we get into the back bend, make sure you do these 2 exercises. First thing, we're gonna lay flat on the ground. After you lay flat on the ground, make sure that your legs is not stretched out further from your body, okay? Keep it close and then just relax on the ground. Place both of your hands and make sure that your fingers is pointing out there. Now for the second steps, you want to bring your hip up, alright? So keep your hip up like this. And now for the third steps, it's time to push with your hands, okay? Push with your hands and then bring all your body up. Remember to keep the arc on your back. I'm going to show you guys. So after you hip up, push. When pushing with your hands, you want to keep your hands straight, because by doing that, you can see your posture for the back bend or the bridge is bigger. Alright, so keep that in mind. Keep your hand as straight as possible. Now after doing the bridge, and now you want to go back to the reset positions, make sure that you bring your head up and then slowly put your body down. Alright, the back first and then followed by the rest of your body. Some people, when they going back down, they keep their head like this, and then when they going back to the ground, they hit their head first, followed by their body. Don't do that, alright? So keep that in mind. Bring your head inward and then place your shoulder on the ground first, and then followed by the rest of your body. There you go guys, back bend or bridge tutorial. All of you guys that are watching right now, please learn this move. It is so important, because everything that we do in breakdancing or b-boy, most of them are coming from the strength of our back. And this is the exercise or the freeze that build up the strength of your back. So it makes sense, right? Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.